which we are going to help you. You can start those particular projects in India as a new startup. एक आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, ये ऑलरेडी मालदीव में सक्सेसफुली हो रहा है, ये ऑलरेडी नेपाल में सक्सेसफुली हो रहा है, ये ऑलरेडी अफ्रीका में सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है, एंड अफ्रीका एंड इंडिया हैज सो मेनी पैरेलल्स. सो यू विल फील जब ये वहां सक्सेसफुली हो रहा है, इंडिया में भी सर्टेन प्लेस पे इकोसिस्टम अफ्रीका जैसा है, वहां पे सक्सेसफुल है, बट इट हैज नॉट कम टू इंडिया बिकॉज पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. यू कैन स्टार्ट दैट प्रोजेक्ट हियर. अ क्लासिक एग्जांपल, वाटर एटीएम. वाटर एटीएम जो आपने बहुत मेट्रो स्टेशन पे भी देखा होगा, व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट व्हिच केम फ्रॉम अफ्रीका. One government delegation went to Africa, they got to know about it, they came back to India and they started it as a project. Health ATM, all these innovations are there in certain documents which are there. This is what at eCell we are trying to tell you. We are telling you these are the opportunities, these are the projects which you can commercialize. The only issue is participant doesn't have information. लोगों तक जानकारी नहीं पहुंचती. जानकारी पहुंचती है तो उनको पता नहीं होता उसमें अप्लाई कैसे करें. सो अगेन वी आर देयर टू हैंड होल्ड यू, वी आर देयर टू मेंटर यू, एंड वी नीड योर सपोर्ट. वी नीड वॉलंटियर्स, वी नीड इंटर्न्स हु आर डेडिकेटेड, हु आर सिंसियर, हेल्पिंग स्मॉल बिजनेस. एक पार्टिसिपेंट का क्वेश्चन था, कोविड-19 में हम कौन सा काम करें when there is everywhere lockdown, slowdown is there. So I am addressing to that participant that see there, this is a specific document which base, and I have given many examples also, but feel confident, we are here to support you, we are here to guide you about it. Training for small business success, let me also make an announcement like which I will be sharing subsequently also. We are trying to enter into various kind of MOUs. This I have taken as a self initiative since I worked with these organization. International Finance Corporation is a very reputed organization. अगर आप इस slide को देख रहे हो, there are some world class trainings which are provided at zero cost. We are trying to get those particular trainings through an MOU between the School of Open Learning and through these international organizations, so that you get world class training. Once you have world class training, good training which is practical. Training just doesn't mean certificate. Training means you should be able to use that knowledge for your benefit. So the moment you mention in your project report that I have done a particular training from this place, I have done from the World Bank. Now World Bank finances many SMEs in India. जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था. अब आप वर्ल्ड बैंक की किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो इंडिया में फाइनेंस कर रही है, उसके पास आपकी प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट जाती है और उसमें आप मेंशन करते हैं आई हैव कंप्लीटेड योर ईडीपी प्रोग्राम, योर स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, योर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट. ऐसा आईएफसी, एज एन इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, आई विल फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट इस एप्लीकेंट ने वही करिकुलम किया है जिसको हम प्रमोट करते हैं, जिसको बेसिकली हम चाहते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को आए ताकि वो अपने वेंचर को सक्सेसफुली चला पाए. इट मेक्स योर एप्लीकेशन मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. आई हैव सीन मेनी केसेस फ्रॉम 2009, people prepare project report but they don't get funding. Why? Because as I told in the earlier session, project report is your biodata. How smartly you have prepared, how nicely you have prepared the project report. Because banks are not asking for any collateral, but how to prepare a good project report, I will not be right to say कि ऐसा एप्लीकेंट, ऐसा पार्टिसिपेंट इन दिस सेशन सबको एक अच्छी प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनानी आती है. नो, this is what the endeavor is, to tell you how to identify opportunity, how to get the skills, and then how to prepare a successful project report. Once you get the funding, you focus on your product, you focus on your service. You should not get bothered जीएसटी क्या होता है, इनकम टैक्स क्या होता है, कंपनी को रजिस्टर कैसे करते हैं, अकाउंट्स कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं, मार्केटिंग कैसे करते हैं. यू शुड बी एबल टू फोकस ऑन रनिंग योर बिजनेस सक्सेसफुली. देयर शुड बी सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन which can provide you all these kind of routine day-to-day activities. This is what we are doing through the students, through the volunteers, through the interns, providing these services to various potential entrepreneurs. So this is a training which we are trying to launch subsequently during this year by entering an MOU. IFC, International Finance Corporation. Why I am showing you these slides? This is a world-class organization, and most importantly, they give you skill development and they tell you which opportunity to identify, which project to take up, which project you can start in India, through which project you can do exports. There are many applicants who were saying हम export करने के लिए interested हैं. कौन से product का export करें, कौन से product को आप, कौन सी services को आप export करें. लेकिन उनको करने के लिए if you have to compete in the European markets, You have to compete internationally. You need to have world class quality. आपके CV में भी तो world class skills होनी चाहिए. These organizations help you to get international. Today we are in a borderless world. So you also need to make yourself equipped to be successful in a global connected world. These are the tools, these are the resources to make you do that. आप अपने सामने देखिए जो मैंने आपको भी इस स्लाइड में, empowering farmers, small and micro entrepreneurs in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now Congo is not something which is much better than India. From every aspect, from every financial indicator, India is much ahead of Congo. But IFC is very successfully working with people like you who are small entrepreneurs, micro entrepreneurs. इंडिया में भी कर सकते हैं. ऐसे कौन से सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं कॉन्गो में जो हम नेपाल में कर सकते हैं. नेपाल इज अ डेवलपिंग कंट्री एट अ मच लोअर लेवल इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इंडिकेटर्स कंपेयर टू इंडिया. सो यू कैन बिकम अ एंटरप्रेन्योर इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, मिजोरम, मेघालय. You can go to Myanmar. There are so many neighboring countries. In India में we have SAARC. There are so many regional tie-ups which are there. Think global. But to think global, how to move ahead on that roadmap. Again a very connected slide. इसमें अगर आप देखेंगे डेवलपिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन बांग्लादेश. बांग्लादेश में कौन कौन से स्टार्टअप प्रोजेक्ट हैं, इंडिया में कौन कौन से स्टार्टअप प्रोजेक्ट हैं, श्रीलंका में कौन से हैं, उन सबका यहाँ पे डेटाबेस दिया गया है. नाउ माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू इज, देयर मे बी अ पार्टिसिपेंट टुडे हु इज फ्रॉम असम. उसको असम में ही कैन स्टार्ट समथिंग विच इज सक्सेसफुली हैपनिंग इन बांग्लादेश. और इंडिया में यदि कोई मध्य प्रदेश में प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुली हो रहा है, सम ऑफ यू कैन टेक एन इनिशिएटिव to launch that project in Jammu and Kashmir, in Gujarat. लेकिन वो information मिलेगी कहाँ? That is what we are trying to tell you through these webinars. These are the information sources. We are making these information available to you, informing you, and then helping you to participate in these success story. आप इसमें देखेंगे simplifying tax, reducing energy, water consumption. They are all startup, small projects. People like you can do these ventures in your state. Let us move ahead. Stories of impact, we have covered that. Now you can see there are so many countries. Funding. Now I told you एक student का concern भी था credit. Funding is an issue not only for many of the entrepreneurs in India face an issue. They are not able to get funding. I told you about the PMEGP scheme, about the Mudra scheme. We will cover in detail in the subsequent session. And there are so many international organizations like the International Finance Corporation are there. Or there are so many countries. There are so many developed countries like US aid. Similarly, Canadian government is there. British government is there. They are having their offices in India. They are here to fund small entrepreneurs. A large component of their office work is dedicated to encourage entrepreneurship in India. So, but how to work with them? Also, these organizations gives you a platform to export to those countries. But how to interact with them? How to participate them? आज लेट मी बी प्रैक्टिकल. बहुत से पार्टिसिपेंट ऐसे हैं, आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट नाइसली इन इंग्लिश. मेरा इंग्लिश स्किल्स अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छा नहीं है. मैंने आपको लास्ट सेशन में भी बोला था, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज फॉर एवरीवन. इफ समबडी इज इन चेन्नई जिसको लोकल लैंग्वेज आता है, इट डज नॉट मीन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हैज टू बी ओनली फॉर द एलाइट. द ऑब्जेक्टिव एट ECEL is, the objective of our endeavor is to reach out to everyone. To reach out to everyone at their doorstep, to customize the service offering as per their requirement, rather than asking them, you come to us, पहले आप इंग्लिश सीखें, पहले आप communicate. It is not possible. Otherwise, entrepreneurship is not going to pick up. Somebody has to take that initiative, and I'm thankful to the leadership team at the School of Open Learning who have taken that particular initiative through the ECEL. You can see a successful entrepreneur. Now, if you see this picture, it is not a very, एक किराना शॉप है जो आप भी अपने घर के आसपास रोड्स पे देखते होंगे. इट्स नॉट अ बिग बिजनेस, बट शी इज सक्सेसफुली गेनफुली एम्प्लॉयड. और उसको जो सामान मिल रहा है, जो बिस्कुट मिल रहे हैं, उसको जो चाय की पत्ती, somebody supplying to her. So she is creating job for herself. She is looking after the livelihood of her family, and she is giving employment to others also. And she is providing service to the clients. Nice. So these are certain examples. Then we move further. Yeah, I have discussed it. Okay. Now again, very important slide. There are many participants who have given a lot of positive replies. Postal saving account and postal current account, because I know there are many entrepreneurs current account में they face an issue. So get your account opened with a postal bank. If you face any issues, we will be doing a separate session on that, but I have given you how you can basically get your current account opened with the postal, which is a government bank. It is not too crowded. Second thing is, बहुत बारी जैसे अभी पेंडेमिक है या कोई और क्राइसिस लाइफ में आता है, छोटी छोटी, टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर यू नीड टू